A man's sexual life is an aspect that extends far beyond immediate pleasure and emotional gratification. While male orgasm is commonly associated solely with pleasure, it plays a crucial role in maintaining both physical and mental well-being. Throughout this video, we will delve into the profound benefits of a healthy orgasm for both body and mind, demonstrating that pleasure is not merely a transient luxury, but a continuous investment in overall quality of life. Understanding the impact of orgasm on our health can be a game changer for anyone seeking to grasp the advantages of a fulfilling and balanced sexual life. In general, ejaculation is not merely a fleeting physiological release. It encompasses a series of reactions that directly impact physical well-being. During orgasm, the body releases a cascade of potent chemical substances, such as endorphin and oxytocin, which are responsible for inducing feelings of pleasure and simultaneously mitigating stress. These substances contribute to a multitude of benefits, ranging from mood elevation to enhanced physical resilience. Their release exerts a profound effect, influencing cardiovascular health and fostering a sustained sense of tranquility post-climax. Furthermore, orgasm can be regarded as a physical activity in itself. The contraction of the muscles involved in ejaculation, coupled with the increase in heart rate, acts as a mild form of exercise, improving blood circulation and the cardiovascular system. For men seeking a simple and effective way to maintain good health, orgasm presents itself as a natural health practice. It is important to note that while orgasm does not replace regular physical exercise, it contributes as an additional factor to overall well-being. Another crucial role is the preservation of hormonal health. Regular ejaculation contributes to the regulation of testosterone levels, a hormone essential for maintaining muscle mass, bone density, and even libido. Therefore, orgasm serves a preventative function by helping to balance this vital hormone, which naturally declines with age in the male body. Focusing specifically on prostate health, the benefits of male orgasm extend to this crucial area of the body. Prostate cancer is a concern for many men, particularly as they age. However, recent studies suggest that regular ejaculation may serve as a natural preventative measure. By releasing prostate secretions, orgasm helps to avoid the buildup of toxic substances that can contribute to the development of prostatic diseases. This process not only eradicates potential toxins, but also stimulates immunological function, empowering the body to defend itself against illnesses and infections. A study conducted by scientists from a prestigious university revealed that men who ejaculate more frequently exhibit a substantially reduced risk of developing prostate cancer compared to those with less frequent ejaculation. Moreover, orgasm has an anti-inflammatory effect on the body. With the release of endorphins and other neurotransmitters, the body experiences a reduction in inflammation levels, which can directly impact the prevention of chronic diseases. This combination of benefits for cardiovascular health and prostate health makes male orgasm a practice that extends far beyond fleeting pleasure. It acts as an ally for physical well-being, preventing and even treating certain conditions. Before delving into the next benefits of male orgasm for mental and emotional well-being, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Were you aware of all these positive effects an orgasm can have on your health? Share your comments below. Let's engage in a discussion and perhaps even share experiences on how male health extends far beyond the physical realm. And of course, if you're enjoying this content, be sure to subscribe to the channel. That way, you won't miss any of our incredible videos on health and wellness. Now let's continue together as we delve into the effects of orgasm on both your mind and your heart. When it comes to mental well-being, many underestimate the significance of male orgasm, but the positive effects extend far beyond the transient sensation of pleasure. During orgasm, the brain releases a cascade of hormones that profoundly impact our emotional health. The release of dopamine and oxytocin, renowned as the pleasure hormones, not only generates an immediate sense of well-being, but also helps mitigate levels of stress and anxiety. In a world where psychological pressure is relentless, orgasm can serve as a natural conduit for alleviating daily tensions and empowering individuals to confront challenges with greater emotional equilibrium. The positive impact extends even further. Male orgasm can, in fact, contribute to the prevention and even treatment of mild depression. This is due to the increased production of serotonin, the hormone of happiness. This substance plays a fundamental role in mood regulation, providing a sense of lasting contentment. Men who experience regular orgasms can benefit from this natural antidepressant effect, helping to maintain a more balanced mental well-being. Furthermore, orgasm plays a crucial role in solidifying intimate relationships. The shared experience of sexual pleasure and satisfaction between partners can foster trust and deepen emotional intimacy. When both partners find fulfillment, communication tends to become more candid, cultivating an atmosphere of mutual understanding. In many ways, orgasm serves as a conduit for profound connection, not only enhancing the sexual bond, but also strengthening the affective ties that bind partners. As we've seen, regular ejaculation is not merely a physical release or a fleeting moment of discharge, but a process that yields significant benefits for emotional well-being, acting as a preventative measure against depression, contributing to stress reduction, and fostering a deeper connection with one's partner. The impact of orgasm on cardiac health is something many men overlook. During climax, the heightened heart rate and activation of various components of the circulatory system mimic the physiological effects of exercise. The heart pumps more blood vessels dilate, and circulation is optimized. This process may have long-term benefits, contributing to the prevention of cardiovascular disease and enhancing vascular health. Studies indicate that men who maintain an active sex life, encompassing regular orgasms, exhibit a lower incidence of cardiovascular problems. This practice may enhance cardiovascular function, leading to increased longevity and a healthier life. Furthermore, regular ejaculation has also been linked to lower rates of hypertension, a significant risk factor for heart disease. Looking ahead, it is crucial to emphasize that men's sexual health is intrinsically linked to healthy aging. Men who maintain an active sex life tend to age more healthily, exhibiting lower risks of chronic diseases and a superior quality of life. Consequently, male orgasm can be regarded as a potent preventative measure, contributing to longevity and overall well-being. Having delved into the multifaceted benefits of male orgasm for physical, mental, and emotional well-being, it's evident that this experience is paramount to a balanced and healthy life. Its effects extend far beyond transient pleasure, encompassing a spectrum from cardiovascular health to the prevention of prostate cancer. Male orgasm transcends the realm of mere gratification. It's an inherent physiological and psychological necessity, an element deserving of esteem and profound comprehension. If you enjoyed this video, leave your comment below and share your own experiences. We're all here to learn from each other. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, don't delay. Join our community and stay up to date on all the content we prepare for you.